follow the birds, and that's where the whales are. Should we catch up to him?
Dude.
The whale.
It's a couple $100 grand, or a couple grand,
Fine. Fine?
Fine, like fine.
To get close to him?
Yeah.
Like how close?
Like, close.
Closer than this? Like we'll be in trouble?
We can go close. That is so sick, dude.
I know, right?
Like, dude, give me my phone.
Holy shit! Oh my god.
I need my camel pack.
It's alive!
I need my 5-liter camel pack.
It's swimming!
5-liter camel pack.
Oh my gosh, it looks like I'm having so much fun. It's just like...
Ah! Oh my gosh, don't land my boat. Don't land my boat.
Oh shit.